Um, are you gonna, I've been rereading a bit of the declarative language book.
Okay.
I love that book. You have to just talk a little bit about it because it is sort of.
For you, those of you, Sydney's avoiding introducing herself.
No, okay, sorry. Okay, no, I'll introduce myself, but I want you to talk about declarative language because it's so powerful.
Okay.
And like, I'm only hyped about it too because I used it today and I was like, oh, this feels so good to give this to a child, like, to be able to like have them recognize. Like I said to him on the playground, instead of all the kids going inside, and him not recognizing it and me saying, okay, get your backpack, we're going inside. I said, where did all the kids go? Giving him the opportunity to look around and realize for himself, oh, where did the kids go? I should get my backpack and go. And that's like him learning without me having to direct it. I don't know. It's just so cool.
Step into looking at declarative language so that we can understand a little bit about the co-regulation?
Yes.
Okay, so declarative language is a way of engaging and sharing an experience with a child without putting any demands on them. So this takes the pressure off them. If anything, it points the finger back at you is the way I like to think about it. Instead of saying, what color is that? And being like, you, what color is that? Now I'm saying, oh, I wonder what color that is. So now they can choose to answer me if they know. Or I say when I don't understand something, I'm confused.
Mm-hmm.
Like when they do something, and because sometimes it makes perfect logical sense in their head. I just can't follow it. So I'll be like, I'm confused why you did that. I'm wondering if you can help explain or help me understand. So it's me being dumb, me not understanding, not them making a mistake, not them doing. Declarative language is making observations or thinking out loud is the way I think about it a lot. When I want a child to notice that it's cold outside and he might need his jacket, I might say, whoa, it's snowing out there, it's chilly, and hope that they put 2 and 2 together. If they don't, I might say, I'm going to put on my jacket, and like I work my way down until I come to my favorite one is like, my favorite 2 sayings is, I wonder, and then I can put anything that you would say, what is, I can put I wonder in front of it if you should put your jacket on too. Yeah, declarative language is a huge part of taking and being able to link past experiences to the ones happening right now.
Mm-hmm. What was the one I asked you? Do you remember the specific one I asked you when we were having coffee about linking?
Oh, the one with the glue? My example?
Was it did I ask you?
Yeah, you were asking how to link past experiences. And so I have the same little girl. She's got a brand new glue bottle.
Oh, right.
Like, it's not coming out. And I'm like, oh, I wonder if it's clogged. Didn't need to say anything else. She goes into the cupboard, finds the toothpick. I wonder what else is wrong. I wonder what else it could be. Gave her a little while to process it. And then I said, you know what? Yesterday, when I had a brand new ketchup bottle, the ketchup wouldn't get on my hot dog. I had to undo the lid and take the seal off. And she goes, undoes the thing. Like, I didn't tell her to look at the glue. I just helped her use my memory and my experience to apply it to this experience that she was having right now. So not only am I allowing her to borrow my thought process, she's also learning to link past to present. Because the kids don't do that a lot. And sometimes for kids, we have to help link them to the future. So with the coat, You might have, like, it's cold outside, and instead of saying put on your coat, you might say, after you've gone down the list, you might be like, I wonder if you're going to get really cold out there. We're going to be out there for 45 minutes. I'm wondering if you're going to get cold. I've just helped them see not choosing to bring your jacket now has a consequence for later.
Mm-hmm.
Without actually putting my fingers
Yeah.
at them, pointing at them.